Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So today it's me and Dad in the car,
Morning, guys. Good morning.
and we are going to the supermarket. We're going early because we hear that there might be some rain. There might be some rain coming over the island. Probably today, and when we woke up this morning it was a bit um, overcast. So we're going out early to come back in, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with us to the supermarket. We're not really getting anything much. It's just like a little midweek shopping just to pick up a few things that we may not have that we don't have for like the weekend or into next week. So we're just going to get those, and then we'll go back home, and we're gonna take you along with us and whatever else we do through the day. Okay, guys, so we're in the supermarket now. I was going to pick up a few stuff. This one, the icon. Yeah, because so, even though I'm gonna go fill the bottle later, we might not exactly sure. Draw it apart there, Edison. Yeah. Okay. Hmm? Oh, when I was in the freezer already? I think I did all to your throat. Oh.
Yeah, man. He carried one last night.
Oh, he carried on last night. Okay. All right. Um, what for that last? A chicken. It's a CB, right? It's a CB, right?
Yeah.
Just pick one.
What size?
Not too. Yeah, that is the chicken.
The one showed the video yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that one. They
This?
just roll up there.
In a two?
More.
You want
That's not
something?
bad.
You want something bigger than this?
Alright, keep that just in there. Check that one over there. What is it? 1, 2. This is what that one. Turn it around. No, straight butter. One. Oh yeah, that one is small. Yeah, try that one. Small too?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here, pick up that one there. I'm guessing that's the biggest one. Just pick up that one.
29.
Mm.
All of them.
Oh, that's not bad. Is that not bad? I don't know, you know.
One.
It's not the price, you know, it's just the size. Try that one over there, so that one at the back, all the way at the back here. That's not bad. 1, 2.
One.
I suggest you take up. Which one look bigger?
One, two, three, one, 129.
I'm guessing that one is bigger. Alright, it's just because of how it's here. Alright, go with that one. We'll go by the produce aisle over there, so. Over here, so. I'm gonna pick up the ice cream for the house. Let me come for that house. Alright, so. You need chocho. Go on down the line. Those are Brussels sprouts. But then, and then get produce, you know. So I'm guessing them maybe just go on the chocho. I forgot call her.
Size this?
The tougher that they are.
Offer.
That one in there and nobody know. Take the second one. Or that one. Take this one.
This one.
Oh, pepper. Down there, so scotch bonnet. See here. So look for one with some good one. That one's not bad. See? Maybe it's the best you're gonna get. Hello you guys. Blessed day to you. It's another day. I'm on the road. Actually, I am going into the city to run a few little errands. I hope that whenever it is that you get to watch this video, everything will be good with you. It may find you in good health, you and your family, everything running good. And it is a beautiful day out. So it's a beautiful day out on the road. It's a little misty, sorta, yeah. But we are going into the city. Gonna make a few stops, and I not maybe more than likely I won't show you everywhere I stop, but I will just take you along, see what I do. And oh, it's doing that is in the back there. Daddy want to say hi. Dad.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
All right.
Blessed morning.
All right. So you know, so you have to stop, brother. You know that. Or like you're not stop. So I'll catch you in the next clip. I made one stop already. I didn't stop with your door. And you see how the place misty? It's misty because the dust, the Sahara dust and such. So I'm going by the meat shop. I've got to get me some chicken. So I am on to the meat shop. So that is what is happening. So not too much traffic out today because it's a weekend. Yeah, so what kind of meat shop there now? I had already called them and they say yes they have what I want. So and I think I might stop by my butcher's. No matter where I go, I will come back and support onion. The road, I don't know, all the traffic they on the road. But even though all the traffic that they on, everybody still a drive bad. You see them? And shake with the camera. And here all night road. And the road bumpy. I am in tasty patties. And look how the line long. You see? Now I put the camera on nobody, so I put it across over there, so it's not tasty. Yep. And the line long. A long way to go for a cashier. See? And she has crave chicken patty from how much it is. So I make sure I get it for her. Yeah, I don't know how I will come and I don't want to put it up in anybody. But everybody these days, you know, you have to do the right. You understand? So I'm sure the people that put that up. I go straight up. My foot here. Go put there. Like I go straight up. So you can't video people like that. Next week, I'm going to get the patty there, make sure. So guys, now at the counter now, the line was really long, but we get through quick. So then what is them at the patty, they have to take in them face. But patty is really expensive. $260. We never know so expensive. So guys, my dial 770 my number, 730 number 730 right there. Yes, sir. 260 for one patty, you know, fam. And the chicken patty at 290, beef patty at 260. Also, I'm going to start with the patty. Also, I'm going to start with the patty then. When people want patty, she just take it out of the 260 one beef patty, 290 for the chicken patty. We eat patty, but I always ask for them to buy. A long time, I never really come at the cashier. Because when I go on the road, I don't say buy patty, so I never know say this. So guys, I am in Appliance Traders. Not even Appliance, but Appliance.
Signature bell. Errands. Um,
Prisma.
no, yeah. I want, wait, what is your name again?
Generator.
Generator. Is that 200 quarter million dollar plus tax? 259,000. No, the tax bring it up to 200 and call it 260.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, but at the same size like this. So, alright, this is a little bigger.
Yes?
The one,
About the
our
same
one,
size.
this is a little bigger. No, this is a bit bigger.
This bigger?
It's a little bit. Prism. This is a good brand though.
Mm-hmm.
Prism is a good brand. Alright. I don't wash hand. Oops. Hell, me nearly drop you know. It's look like a dryer. It open. Yeah man. A dryer. It open right side. On the right side. Oh yeah. 241. Call it 242 ton. Yeah, dryer. Same size the dryer. And that me come in after door. Me I look for a special store. Every time I get them box cover. Every time them then get them. They want me a commercial sitting. I'm quite ready for this. But every time I come, I used to then store them as them come. Them done. As them come. Yeah man, open a good brand them man. Me a commercial sitting. Good type of commercial sitting. Many oven slam.
Yeah.
Vulcan. I don't know if this is Vulcan. I'm not familiar with that brand, but you see this? You see this I want down here, so? Good face. Them are your car, them are not DB. You see stainless steel. And the price nobody know. 539, 540. 540. This is not bad at all. 540, all Vulcan. Good, you see them burn your door boy.
Same thing with this.
Oh man, try lift up this. Try lift up that. Lift up this. Try lift up this.
Wow.
All Vulcan. Check out boy. You have to know brand, you know. I'm not familiar with them brand, yeah. See them? I say, you know, them brand. But I know that when I look for me, I see it still. I see it at all. As then come them done. As then come them done. People not around with them. Maybe I forgot active trailer. This is so small. This is it's a Frigidaire, professional, top and bottom. Why is this so small? Why is this so small? Should I range there? Which brand? Frigidaire. 125. Who like it though? Will it look good enough?
Yeah.
What show me did? Lift up that day, let me see so kind of second, but I make it drop in. I look on the underneath.
Yeah, manage it. No.
It is so.
Complex.
It's heavy.
Heavy.
Why is it so weighty?
Not much underneath it.
Well, we are man professional. Oh, not professional. We can't get to see what the range would. Stainless steel, me know. Look at this. This is a nice fridge there. Over the range microwave. This is so nice. 87. Call them taxes and also like 87,400. This is a 1.9, but this is really big though. This is nice. Very nice microwave. Fridge there.
Country.
No, I wouldn't carry this because it's that over the range.
Oh.
I don't want it. I not,
Okay.
I not, I not, I not use that over. I range with me go ask her for what you say.
Mm-hmm.
No, it them not put it out yet. It's very, very, very nice. Me I wonder. Me still me I think. You know? Because the thing is, the fridge, the stove, a fridge there, That's the point. So this would this looks good. What do you think?
Yeah, look good.
Really look good, but really look good. Man, I lie. Really look good. So that is a 36. I wonder why them are thinking I can every day they make them bit smaller and smaller. Them double
Double thing.
double oven. This me another type of me I check for though. I check for see if this is the 432. This is some another over the range microwave too. This is which brand? I fridge there too.
Fridge there.
This is the gallery. That are just straight fridge down. That's gallery. No. Yeah, me tell us man. Wow.
This.
Yeah.
Gallery.
Same gallery. Yeah, fridge there, gallery, yeah, fridge there, professional. Oh. This is a gallery, yeah. Anything in a fridge there, gallery and professional. Them really, for me, that are just me. Yeah. I did buy one, you see the deep freeze, a fridge there, gallery, See how much years may have it? And it still look good here. And see another one down here, so again. This is a professional. So yeah, it's a fridge there professional. So you gotta get this now. If you don't have the double electric oven, you gotta have this on top of it. But this is expensive though. So you could have get just one oven and just get the single the something there. Yeah, but these things. See there, that's something again to the but the stove, man, the stove. It's at 200.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is an LG microwave. And this is a regular microwave, it's not no over the range. This is nice. This is not bad at all. Really? This is good. I buy this here per yard. This is really nice. I remember I see my LG microwave. I tell us when you want to get certain things you have to come. Yeah, man. These are nice. I do not see them. I look for something in a family. I never talk to them since I come in. I just there chat and I look. Yeah. I'm in Appliance traders, did I say that? Yeah. They always carry nice brands. Really nice brands. Really, really nice brands. Time I buy anything, I love buy something good and do. Okay, this is a electric plate. Electric countertop stove. I want an electric countertop. Wow. Okay. So the single. See single oven them here. Wow, this feels good. There. See single oven them here, man. Feels good.
Okay.
See them here.
Yeah.
One of it three. What the difference with this? This must be more upgraded. But this a door light. This is real. This oh wow. This good. So you get this now, right? And then you take that microwave. I don't want to show you.
Yeah.
And put on that and put on top of it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yup. Fridge. LG. This is how much inch fridge? 26. The 26 is broady. This 26 is so broad. See, that's them there. See the farm. And these prices are with tax. Them display for them price. Them. Tax. Wow. At 26 I look wide. Wider than the one we may have there for care over. It looks up to you. But me not like them now. You see, me like them when they're white. Me not like, yeah. This one, them are going though. This is nice though. And this is LG. This nice.
Yeah, this wide.
Yeah, but I rock this.
It's wide.
I rock this. I rock this I sent me. It look good. Yep. And this is stainless steel. Because some of them are not stainless steel. Yes, this is. Yes, this is stainless steel. Some of them are not stainless steel. See, that's really, it really look, and it look wide.
Wide.
Yeah.
Wide.
It looks good. It really look good. Don't get so light though. Don't get so light. It's me I tried it there. Anyway, but as I show the family them, you know. When I come to look for me, I see it. Wow, this is nice. This is beautiful. All right, this is fridge there. Would I have to be fridge there? See, I the same man with long so.
Yeah.
No call no name. So I show you. Are the same thing. One side a freezer, one side a refrigerator.
Right. Same thing.
They are not deep, but they are wide. But honest to God, me like it. This is the freezer. This is the refrigerator. Looks a little wider though. Looks a little. Look at it.
Wider.
Yeah, it looks a little wider. The fridge here, Mr. Carrie, then sitting here. Really look good, family. This is the freezer part, and this is with the tax. So it is 600 and call it 674,000. And you get 10% off. Come off here. And this is the refrigerator, 660, 800 and something. This is nice. This is really, it's not deep, but it's wide. But it have a depth around this, so see there? So when you buy them now, two separate something, but you put them together.
You're right.
If you have a nice big kitchen where a shot kitchen where you go on, and you have to know where you do. If you don't know where you do, you don't take them and carry put in your house. You have to know about kitchen and cooking, if you take them and carry put in your house, because you're going to look full. Nice, really nice. Not tell no lie, I like it. I like it. Don't comment and tell me who have this in them house here watching now. Oh, this is a Frigidaire gallery. This is Frigidaire gallery refrigerator. This is more expensive. Frigidaire gallery. Yeah, man. $775. From here then say gallery. Yeah? Yeah. Lasting. I can't tell you that. And do not have advertisements for them, but yeah. And some oh. This is feeling sturdy. Feeling really good. Yeah, man. And this is it's just a 21.5. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
This is 21.5. It's a Frigidaire gallery. And the price, it is a 21.5. See it there? And it is $775,098.85. Good, but anyway, I go back business. I'm gonna come fit. That the same. And I look stove, I done with stove. Oh, this is, I think this is a KitchenAid stove. No, this is a Whirlpool. $469. Yeah, wait for me to buy one. You don't buy me one? Oh yeah, that one no, sir. This not look bad, you know. It's not look bad at all. What people have them? Whirlpool carry them, not Whirlpool, KitchenAid carry them too.
Yeah, man.
When you see them, of course, them always in a KitchenAid.
KitchenAid.
I never know Whirlpool carry them. Them there?
Yeah.
But the KitchenAid now in it, blue. Inside here, blue.
It's different.
Yeah, man. No look bad, you know. Oven not deep though. It's not, it don't have a lot of depth. Me see that for a long time. I did see them for a long time. That's why I never did get one. When them did have them in the KitchenAid, I mean they look funny. I say no, sir. I never see the real because I don't have the depth.
Yeah.
But look bad, you know at all. But any you. A 14 cubic can look big.
Look big.
Yeah, you want to make them house at 14 and a fridge and nothing I did buy. It's not look bad. But this is 15 cubic, right? For 179. So why would I buy 15 cubic for 179 and left 25 cubic to come by?
Okay.
To him, I better you buy this. At 10 cubic more, you know.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm looking at AC. Give my girl who want AC. So I'm not really familiar with that brand in a prison, but I want to try it. If anybody know about it, you can tell me in the comment section. Anybody ever use this brand? Because some of the brand them cooler than some. You know? Some of them. So I've seen it all along. Years me see it, but yeah. I think I want to try it. So if you don't know about it, tell me. I say one person I want to buy it for camera girl. Yeah. Prison. And it's an inverter too. Yeah. Now look the Panasonic ends in the car up here, so turn up. The Panasonic, but the deer, you know, you're much for it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and get this here our little room. So family, we are on our way back home now. We have feel laugh because the lady in my place she tell me one brand of AC say the size one of me I ask her for a 300,000. So me I say, hold on, $300,000 for the AC. I mean I pay for install it yet. And I'm thinking like I've never installed any like big one to the size that what she had tell me. I forgot to find out from the electrician if I did see money for install in a matter of the size. Cause if it installation go by size. I always install 12. I always install. And I'm sorry, well I kind of find out now. Well I find it out good while now, sir. The unit goes to the size of the room. Honestly, I never know that before. I never did know. But I realize that now more than a year ago and so I know how to deal with things now. But 300,000 for one 36 a specific brand. So me I say wait. And that I go put so well on the light bill there go turn up. I try the little B9 BTU. May I try to get it for camera girl Cobra room because she need a little one in there. Time hot. Yes, so I go back go get it for her because she need it. But I just want to ask me electrician if at the same price for install. I know at the same price for install like what installed mine because 9 and then 12. But I was asking her for AC for another space. And I gave her the measurement. So she said that measurement work out to be 27 BTU, but they don't have them in 27, which I know. Some would have to buy at 30. That must see. And that go up to the brand there, specific brand. It's a 360, she said it 360,000.
Yeah.
Me I feel laugh, you know. Those I see them all along, but I never know so them the brand there where she tell me I never know. So I saw them expensive. But it's a long time brand though, they a long time. Hey, look what you're doing, miss. Or mister, because mostly women drive them little car there. But we are on our way back home. In traffic, the road not so. We go back home now about like midday now, ain't that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. You see the mist? You see how the thing is not the camera one clean. You see the mist, but them say bye. So we have it for the whole of this week pretty much. We had it, yes. Cause it started from about Monday. But through me indoors, me not come out. So I come over. So you can see it in the sky, the Sahara dust. We having it here, but them say maybe by now in a few days it will diminish. But it makes the time hot though. Really hot. But I am cruising home right now. Yeah, the road they look crazy this morning, but maybe it depends on which part of the route we are taking up. So we are come out of the city and now left the city eat, yeah.